everybody, today I'm making rice. So you need to make it flat like this and then let Moita pour it in. Always help her, but I don't help her because she's big. She's 2. And now, we always make a mess, so just in case you don't want to make a mess, the video is telling you. And we're cooking it in a rice cooker, just free. And so now we need to put it back in with full and then cover it. I already covered it. So now everybody, I'm mixing the water. Always ask a parent to do it. I'm standing on a stool, that's why I can reach. So always make sure the water is white and then dump it out and then refill it again until the rice is not white anymore, but it can be some white. Just make sure to do lots of bowls of water in the rice bowl, because everybody, now I'm lifting the bowl back because I made a huge mess. So make sure not to dump your rice. Now let's pour the water out, very careful. And now let's put some more. Otherwise you need to wash it very good and you won't have dinner time if you always have treats after dinner. So you won't have dinner in time. Because my mom needed to dig it out, so we need to wash it very good because we're just getting eaten. So make sure to get almost all the white off. Like I said, mix it up, swirl your sink around if it has a little water, and then dump it out again. Do it again. Now everybody, that's the end of my washing. Now I need to check how much water we need to cook with the rice. That much water in, and flatten the rice over a pan. Now let's check. It's called finger check. It needs to be the first of your line. Now check it. This much water is perfect. Now you need to plug it in. Pull your charger up. Plug it into the cord. Put the rice in and close the lid. When you hear the click, that means it's good. And put it down when it's at stop so you don't open it accidentally, like that. And now what we do is just wait. And now I'm gonna open the rice bowl. Make sure to keep your face all away. Otherwise, because the smoke coming out isn't just smoke, it's steamy water. Otherwise, if it's too hot, it can start on fire and you'll burn your face. So I don't want to burn my face. Now I'm gonna open it. Now let's get a scoop for me. That's a lot. Now I'm gonna eat a lot of rice. Because I'm a big boy. Let's close it. That is really steamy. Kind of burning myself. Always touch the handle. Now let's let it cool down. And let's leave and make it cool down. Now I'm seeing how good my rice is. I'm gonna eat a bite. It's good. Now, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like it. Always use a rice cooker. Bye.